There are many unique gifts to give your child: self-confidence, self-esteem, poise, coordination, creativity, strength. At Christine Rich Studio, they offer exceptional dance training in classical ballet, tap, jazz, and acrobatics that enhance those gifts so your child can develop a true sense of pride and accomplishment. Christine Rich Studio offers a beautiful and state-of-the-art facility with the largest classrooms in Illinois. Founder and studio director Christine Rich has 30 years of experience that she continually draws on today. That means your child will reach their highest potential. Tony and Emmy Award-winning entertainer Mr. Ben Vereen says of Christine Rich Studio, her students get the best from the best. Her staff of talented teachers leave no stone unturned when it comes to their young budding stars. The one thing that a parent can rest assured in is that their child will be in the best environment to learn to express that gift from within. Enroll your child today at Christine Rich Studio in Savoy.